Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you have to open your phone application, then you have to go to the contact section, tap here, then go to the import or export, and you have to select from where you want to copy your contacts. We are going to copy it from the SIM card to the phone storage, phone contact, tap next. Then we are copying it to the phone contact, tap next one more time, and you have to select contacts which you want to import, like let's import these ones, and then tap OK. And after that all of these contacts will be imported to the phone and not only to the SIM card. As you can see, we have them here. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.